Have you ever paused to marvel at the intricate choreography of movement that is human life? From the simple flick of a finger to the powerful stride of a runner, every action we perform is a testament to the remarkable machinery inside us, our muscles. Muscles, those bundles of fibrous tissue, are indeed the unsung heroes of our day-to-day existence. But how do they accomplish these feats of strength and precision? The answer lies in a complex symphony of biological processes. First, let's delve into the structure of a muscle. Each muscle in our body is composed of thousands, sometimes millions, of small fibrous units called muscle fibers. These fibers are, in turn, made up of even smaller units called myofibrils. Within these myofibrils are the basic contractile units of a muscle, the sarcomeres. It's within these sarcomeres that the magic of muscle movement truly begins. Now imagine a sarcomere as a miniature battlefield, where two types of protein filaments, actin and myosin, are the main players. When a muscle contracts, myosin filaments reach out and pull on the actin filaments, sliding past each other. This is known as the sliding filament theory. But what triggers this tug-of-war between actin and myosin? It's an electrical signal from the nervous system. When you decide to perform a movement, your brain sends an electrical impulse down a nerve cell, or neuron, towards the muscle fibers. This electrical signal triggers the release of calcium ions within the muscle fibers. The calcium ions then bind to a protein called troponin, causing it to shift and reveal binding sites on the actin filaments. Once these sites are exposed, the myosin heads can bind to the actin, forming a cross-bridge. Then, using energy from a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, the myosin heads pull the actin filaments towards the center of the sarcomere. This shortens the muscle fiber, causing it to contract. To relax the muscle, ATP is again needed to break the cross-bridge between actin and myosin, allowing the muscle to lengthen and return to its relaxed state. So there you have it, the intricate dance of muscle contraction and relaxation, a process that happens millions of times each day without us even realizing it. To summarize, the key points discussed today are: muscles are composed of muscle fibers, which in turn are made up of myofibrils. Inside these myofibrils are the basic contractile units of a muscle, the sarcomeres. Muscle movement is a result of a tug-of-war between two protein filaments, actin and myosin, in a process known as the sliding filament theory. Muscle contraction and relaxation are triggered by an electrical signal from the nervous system, resulting in the release of calcium ions, the formation of cross-bridges between actin and myosin, and the expenditure of ATP. So the next time you lift a cup or take a step, remember the extraordinary biological symphony that makes it all possible. The human body, particularly our muscles, is a marvel of nature's engineering, performing complex tasks with effortless grace and precision.